Hello and welcome to this video on some facts about sea lions. Sea lions are fascinating marine mammals that are part of the family Odoridae. They are also commonly referred to as eared seals, due to their external ear flaps, which distinguish them from their close relatives, the true seals. Sea lions are known for their playful nature, intelligence, and impressive swimming abilities. In this video, we will explore the biology, behavior, and conservation status of sea lions. Biology of sea lions. Sea lions are found in various parts of the world, from the tropical waters of the Galapagos Islands to the frigid waters of Antarctica. They have a streamlined body shape that allows them to move through the water with ease, and their powerful flippers help them to swim quickly and maneuver in the water. Most sea lions have a light to dark brown fur coat that is thick and waterproof. Male sea lions are generally larger than females and can weigh up to 1,000 pounds. They are also known for their distinctive mane of fur around their neck, which gives them a distinctive appearance. Females, on the other hand, are smaller and weigh around 200 to 400 pounds. Sea lions are also known for their sharp teeth, which they use to catch fish and other prey. Behavior of sea lions. Sea lions are highly social animals and are often seen in large groups, or rookeries, on beaches and rocky shores. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including barks, growls, and roars. Males are known for their loud, deep roars, which they use to establish their dominance over other males and attract females during breeding season. Sea lions are also known for their playful behavior. They can be seen jumping in and out of the water, surfing on waves, and even playing with objects such as seaweed or empty plastic bottles. They are highly intelligent and have been known to solve puzzles and even use tools to catch prey. Sea lions are also excellent swimmers and can dive to depths of up to 600 feet in search of food. They primarily feed on fish, squid, and crustaceans, and can consume up to 15% of their body weight in a single day. Conservation status of sea lions. Sea lions face a number of threats in the wild, including habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing. Climate change is also a significant threat, as rising temperatures can lead to changes in ocean currents and a decline in food availability. One of the most significant threats to sea lions is entanglement in fishing gear. Sea lions can become trapped in nets and other equipment, which can lead to injury or death. Frequently asked questions. What are sea lions? Sea lions are marine mammals that belong to the family Odoridae. They are characterized by their external ear flaps and are also known as eared seals. What do sea lions eat? Sea lions primarily feed on fish, squid, and crustaceans. They can consume up to 15% of their body weight in a single day. Where are sea lions found? Sea lions are found in various parts of the world, from the tropical waters of the Galapagos Islands to the frigid waters of Antarctica. How long do sea lions live? The lifespan of sea lions varies depending on the species, but they generally live for around 20 to 30 years in the wild. Do sea lions have any predators? Sea lions are generally at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems and do not have many natural predators. However, they can be preyed upon by killer whales and sharks. How do sea lions communicate? Sea lions communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including barks, growls, and roars. How do sea lions stay warm in the water? Sea lions have a thick layer of blubber and a waterproof fur coat that helps to insulate them and keep them warm in the water. Are sea lions endangered? Some species of sea lions are endangered, including the New Zealand sea lion and the Galapagos sea lion. However, other species, such as the California sea lion, have made a remarkable recovery in recent years. How do sea lions differ from true seals? Sea lions are distinguished from true seals by their external ear flaps, which are absent in true seals. Sea lions also have longer front flippers that they use to swim, while true seals have shorter flippers that they use to crawl on land. How can I help protect sea lions? You can help protect sea lions by supporting conservation efforts, reducing your use of single-use plastics that can end up in the ocean, and avoiding purchasing products made from endangered species such as sea lion fur. Additionally, you can help spread awareness about the threats facing sea lions and encourage others to take action to protect them. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.